Right, so this is another problem where we have to use the cardinality properties of sets. Again, I'm going to draw out the Venn diagram for the problem. So it says universal set will have 206 elements. Once again, I'm going to draw my universal set. It's labeled S. So the cardinality of S is 206. Now A and B as subsets. Here we go, A, B. And cardinality of A is 95 because set A contains 95 elements. And the cardinality of B is 94. Okay. And then the question, or then it follows saying that the two sets have 11 elements in common. So that, I can actually also write that symbolically as the cardinality of A intersected with B. So the common elements between A and B, there's 11 of them. And so that number can, at this point, be placed in the overlap between A and B. So there's 11 elements that A and B share. And then the question that we want to answer is, how many elements are neither in A nor B? Okay. So symbolically, what we're looking for is basically the number of elements, which is if we find the union between A and B, and then find the complement of that. That's essentially what we're looking for, the number of elements in the complement of the union. Okay. So in other words, what we need to find is how many elements we would put right here on the outside of the two sets. Okay, so let's break this down. So we know that the total number of elements in A is 95. However, 11 of those 95 elements are also in B, what we found right here. Therefore, there's only 84 elements that are just in A. Now, we also know that there's 94 elements in B, so same idea. There's a total of 94 elements, but 11 of those are in A, so there's 83 in just B. So to know how many elements reside in the union of A or B, or A and basically how many elements are joined together with, in the union of A and B, we would just add 84, 11, and 83 together. That would give us 178. Write this symbolically over here. Symbolically over here. So the number of elements in the union is 178. From this point, we need to go back to the idea that totally in the universal set, there's 206. So if I subtract 206, if I take away 178 from 206, that should give me my answer. So there's 28 elements that are neither in A nor B. They're just outside of A. If that works. T8. All right.